Hey, what's up? This is Jared with the iPhone App Podcast. Today we're going to take a look at iBear Baby, which is your baby book on steroids. Basically, that's the best way I could put it. The premise behind this app is that, children grow up really fast and you don't want to miss all of the little things that happen. So this app helps you document that stuff. So the first thing that it asks you to do when you launch the app is actually enter some information about the child, but you can bypass that if your child has not been born yet. So anyhow, I've got a little bit of information. I just entered myself because I don't have a child. So entered a little bit of information, height, weight at birth, and all that good stuff. I can go in and edit that profile if I would like, and then save it, and I could add a photo, or I can add additional profiles as well. So you've got your basic diary here, which allows you to enter in different things that have happened. So you can add photos for each of those as well. And basically it's a day-by-day journal. So you could take pictures and add a picture for every day or every time you want to make a journal entry. Add height and weight parameters just by clicking on here and entering that information. And then there's events, which is really neat. So you choose your event and you've got first smile, first tooth, steps, words, blah, 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 a whole slew of them, or you can add your own to the list as well. So you do that, and then you can add some notes in here to kind of document that occurrence. You also have feeding time, so in case you want to set your feeding times just to kind of get an idea of when your child is desiring to be fed, you can enter that information in here and then start to create a journal, and then you would save that new record and it would show up in your journal here, which since I put my actual birthday, just the wrong year, it says that I am 11 months and 13 days. So technically I am 28 years, 11 months and 13 days. So that would be your journal entry. Then you also have your encyclopedia here, which lets you go and view all of that information by category. So as you start to enter in all of this stuff, you're going to build your encyclopedia. You'll have photo encyclopedia and all that information, and then you can export your information to their website. You can click the little eye up here, and you've got all of their apps, which they have a lot of different things going on. So you can click on the deal, and it's going to exit the app. Of course, I don't want to do that. So let's look at the charts. One of the neat things here is that it will start to build a height chart and a weight chart, which I think is really neat. So basically, this wouldn't be a good replacement for a baby book or something like that, or some nice way of documenting your information. But when you're out and about and things happen, you can notate them, and then you'll have exactly what you were thinking or exactly what you wanted to put in the baby book or whatever you wanted to document when you got home. So because things happen, and then since you have a camera phone, you can actually take a picture with your iPhone and do that. If you're on an iPod Touch, then that's a bummer, you can't take the picture yet. Hopefully Apple will release an iPod Touch with a camera. But the rest of the app works just fine with the iPod Touch. So the iPhone, it's going to be better use, but nonetheless, this app is really cool. It's a little expensive. It's $10, $9.99. So it's a little pricey, but it does an awful lot, and there isn't a whole lot else out there that you can get that's going to have this much functionality. So for $9.99, if you want to be able to keep track of what is going on with your child for the first couple years or whatever, this is a perfect app for you. So go to iPhoneAppPodcast.com, our website, do a search for iBear Baby. It's iBear, just like I and bear, and then baby. And right underneath the video review, you can buy this app from the App Store. Just click on the link, the iTunes link, and it will take you straight to iTunes where you could purchase this app. So definitely check it out, iBear Baby in the App Store. So we have sponsors, obviously, GoDaddy.com. If you want to save a little bit of money on domain names, you can get 10% off of your entire order when you check out at GoDaddy by entering the coupon code iPhone. Or you can get .com domain names for $7.49 if you enter the coupon code iPhone2. So that's going to do it for today. Take care, and we'll see you next time.